Ladies and gentlemen, I believe the white flag has been thrown. Now, let's break this down. In this paragraph, he says, let's not do things for social media. Nothing good comes out of it. But let's comment and delete on social media for social media, but let's not do it for social media. Someone has to explain that to me because it's not making any sense. Anyways, he says I relapsed on drugs, or I don't know if you relapsed on drugs, but everyone from Staten Island knows you delivered for a pharmacist. I know we're getting personal here, but you were the kid known for doing drugs and alcohol. Till this day, not one person can say they've seen me do drugs or drink in my whole entire life till the age of 25 that I currently am. I hope this is a lesson because I put up a $100,000 bet that he can't show us from the year he started selling courses that he was profitable. For any other trader that tries to go against me, because his brother tried to do that, make this be a lesson for you guys. It's not worth it. I know everything. Just held it in for years.